Hi y'all, I'm Sanujitesha Naika. So welcome all to my new video series. This video series is mainly focusing on a few client-side web development techniques. So at the end of this video series, I'm going to show you how to create a e-commerce website like this. You can see here the main structure of my e-commerce website. They have two main pages, and you can see here the those pages structure, basic structure. So in here, I hope to use these for HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery, jQuery UI, and also JSON for my as a website, as a database. So actually, in this video series, we are doing some of sort of functions, develop sort of functions like. Firstly, we develop a search function. You can see here male or female. Likewise, so how to get the result as this. I'll show you how to do all these things, and I also use jQuery UI widgets for few areas, like those are drop downs are also jQuery UI widgets. Select menus, we call it in jQuery UI, and spinners, as well as we can use some sliders, as well as you can use spinners and some tabs in here. Likewise, we can use I show you how to use jQuery UI widgets in here. And related to this favorite list items, I'll show you how to drag and drop an item, and how to add this item, and add the item using click button. You can see here click button and add an item, and drag and drop and delete an item using delete, and using this delete button and delete. Like those functionalities, I'll show you how to develop. As well as you can see here the clear all button. We can I'll show you how to develop clear all button as well. In here, I want to mention this favorite list. I mainly using browser local storage. I'm not using any server-side development techniques, so I mainly use the favorite list is local storage. And okay, next function would be like I also try to make sure this website is fully responsive, because I already used Bootstrap, so it's already responsive. And also I show you how to create how to write media queries, CSS media queries, like handwritten queries, and how to do a responsive fully responsive your site. Additionally, I show you how to reduce your coding mistakes using HTML validator and CSS lint. Yeah, so that's all. I think we all good. Let's get started.